Hey everybody, it's Sam. Welcome back. This is going to be level 6 of the prerequisite before we can get into level 1. And today we're going to be talking about editing audio. So let's just jump on in. Okay. And the lesson overview today is going to be the tools for editing audio. Okay. And the point of understanding is audio can be edited and or molded in a number of ways depending on the situation. Editing audio is more of an art form than an objective workflow, meaning the tools are basic but can be applied in complex or creative ways. So the question is, what are the actual tools? Well, there's 4. We can either cut things, which means to separate audio clips. We can either add fades, which connects audio clips and smooths them out a little bit, smooths out the transition between them. We can warp things, meaning we can stretch or shrink the audio. And we can pitch things, meaning we can shift things up or shift things down in pitch. Okay, so the questions to think on are, how do I know what I'm hearing and what are frequencies? And that reminds me to remind you to always ask questions. You're not the only person who has a question on any given topic, so do not hesitate to ask us questions on our YouTube channel. The more questions that are asked, the better we can tailor the upcoming courses within the Noisemakers Academy to better help the community grow and feel supported. Okay, so the reason why we say this because it's so important to separate the technical workflows from the creative workflows, okay? And that's what we're going to be doing in the lectures. Okay, great job on this one. We'll see you there.